Hello there, twisty soundy sounds, more words for more pronunciation. And in this video, we are going to see how to articulate quasar, defenestrate, defenestration, and salmagundi. Okay, the first one is quasar. Quasar, which means a group of stars. The center of the galaxy is called quasar. Beautiful word. Quasar is a disyllabic word. The main stress, the stressed syllable, is the first one. We say quasar, quasar. The second word is the verb defenestrate. Defenestrate is to throw someone out of window. It's a humorous verb. Defenestrate. Defenestrate is a 4-syllable word. Defenestrate. The stressed syllable, is the second syllable, fa. As you see, always showcased by the little line, fa. Defenestrate, defenestrate. And the noun from defenestrate is defenestration. And this word, which is polysyllabic, defenestration, 5-syllable word, it has 2 stresses, secondary stress and primary stress. The secondary stress is fa. Defenestration. But the main stress is the primary stress is stray, the penultimate syllable, because as you know, there is a rule here: any noun that ends with shin sound, tion, has its stressed syllable on just the syllable that precedes this termination, tion, as in defenestration, pronunciation, communication, etc. Let's go back to this word. Defenestration. Defenestration. Stray is the stressed syllable, the primary stressed syllable. And the last word is salmagundi. Salmagundi is also containing 2 stresses. Secondary stress is the first syllable, sa, which is a little bit softer and calmer. Sa, salmagundi. And the main stress, the primary stress, is gandhi. Salmagundi. Salmagundi is, let's say, a dish of chopped meat. A general mixture or miscellaneous collection of something is called salmagundi. Okay, let's practice them from the very beginning. Quasar, defenestrate, defenestration, salmagundi, salmagundi, defenestration, defenestrate, quasar. Hopefully you do not defenestrate these words out of window. It's better to learn how to pronounce them. See you next time and goodbye.